Poojashree and welcome back to my channel Passion Fruit. In case you're watching my video for the very first time, go ahead and subscribe to my channel first and also hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my future video uploads. So guys, this is the second video for the Durga Puja edition and today's video is all about a DIY mask about which I was told back in my college by one of my friends. I have used it back then and at that time also it had worked wonders for me, and now I have been using it from the past 7 days and you can see how much my skin is glowing right now. And particularly for today's video, I have not applied any kind of makeup so that I can show you guys how much my skin is glowing, and it is so much radiant and I can actually touch my skin and feel the softness. It is that good. So this DIY mask is a definite try for everyone. Whenever you are like too busy to go to the parlor, or especially during the Durga Puja seasons when you have to wait like some 7-8 hours, which is like insane during the Durga Puja time. The parlors are overcrowded, you just want to avoid, but at the same time you want to take care of your skin. That is the time when this DIY mask comes to our rescue. So here is today's recipe for the DIY mask for you guys. So let's not waste any further time and straight move to the video. So the first product which you will need to make this mask is besan or gram flour. Besan acts as a tan removal agent. It also helps in lightening the skin, reducing the oiliness of your skin, and it also fights pimples. Secondly, you will need honey. I'm using Dabur honey over here. You can use any other honey that you have. Honey is naturally antibacterial, so it is great for acne treatment and prevention. It is full of antioxidants and it is great for slowing down aging. It also boosts the complexion and it is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create a glow. The third product that you will need is malai or milk cream. Malai is very helpful for hydrating your skin. It can absorb deep into the skin layer to nourish the tissue and keep it damp. Milk cream is very rich in fat and that is why it is a very good moisturizer. The last product that you will need is rose water. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness of the skin. It is a great cleanser and aids in removal of the oil and the dirt accumulated in the clogged pores. So to make the mask, first add 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan to a bowl. Then add half a tablespoon of malai or milk cream to the besan. Add a tablespoon of honey to the mixture. Lastly, add around 2 tablespoons of rose water. Mix all the ingredients properly until you acquire the desired consistency. Use a headband so that it doesn't make your hair messy. Make sure that the consistency of the mask is like this as you are seeing in the video. Apply the mixture evenly all over your face. Here I am using a face pack brush to apply it. You can also make use of your fingers to apply the same. I will be applying 2 coats of this mixture on my face. After you have applied it all over your face, wait for 15 minutes or until it dries. Once it has dried, wash your face and then dab your face with a clean towel. You can feel the softness in your skin and see the difference just after the first application. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and it will be useful for so many of you guys who wants to avoid the parlor during this peak time of Durga Puja like me. So do try this DIY mask at home and let me know if it has worked for you or not in the comment section below. And also if you have any such recipes, also do let me know about it so that even I can try and give you reviews if it has worked for me or not. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Passion Fruit and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on my videos. Signing off for today guys, until I come again with another such video. Bye bye.